Happy Friday and welcome back, my friends, to another daily work from home job lead. This one is going to be in the healthcare field, and it's going to be again with the quality review. Of course, the links to all the pages I share are always directly linked in the YouTube description box below this video. I do just ask that if you enjoy job leads like this, let me know by either giving this video a thumbs up like button or leaving it in the comments below. And of course, if you know anybody who could benefit from this, please share with all your friends and family, because we all want to work from home, living our happiest, healthiest life. Today's job lead, though, comes from the company Spring Health. Now, Spring Health has 186 reviews on Glassdoor with an overall employee satisfaction rating of 3.5 out of 5 stars. They are looking for a remote quality coordinator. Now, this is for the United States only. They're looking for somebody who is detail-oriented to coordinate and plan and execute their quality assurance and credentialing activities. This means you will investigate and resolve behavioral health quality of care complaints and grievances. You're going to complete monitoring reports to summarize the results and finding, conducting follow-ups as required and within the time frames. In collaboration with the quality assurance, support quality improvement initiatives. You're also going to participate in the process of monitoring providers to assess their contract and financial compliance, validate service documentation and billing, and behavioral health best practices. You'll provide any technical assistance to providers as needed. So this is not going to be like a call center customer service type job, but you may have to pick up the phone from time to time and make outbound phone calls if you need additional information or if you need to help those providers with a technical assistance. But basically, you are just going to be monitoring all of the quality of everything going on, making sure that it is sticking to the guidelines and nothing is off anywhere. So those providers that are enrolled with Spring Health, you're going to make sure that they stick to their contract and financial guidelines, staying in compliance with everything that has been decided on in that contract. Now, they only require 2 to 4 years of experience in healthcare, quality insurance, or a startup environment, so one of the three. Somebody who can do data analysis in either Google Sheets or Microsoft Excel, so you know how to use those data programs like that. You've got to be tech savvy, have great communication skills, and a passion for eliminating those barriers to mental health care. Spring Health is all about serving those who need it in that mental and behavioral health space. Now, they do pay fairly well. Pays anywhere from $26.05 an hour all the way up to $32.18 an hour. Of course, that's going to be dependent on things like experience and location. All right, if you've made it to the end of this video, a huge thank you so much for watching and supporting me. As always, feel free to leave in the comments anything specific that you're looking for. I do read those. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, like button if you enjoyed it. Share with all your friends and family, and I'll be back really soon with more work from home job leads just for you.